Hi guys, and welcome to this Divi WordPress video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. I had a great question somebody sent in, or somebody posted below one of my YouTube videos here. They're using the Divi theme and they want to have an image behind the main menu here. And they also want to have the same image behind a secondary menu. So you've got the same image behind both of them, or one image behind both of them. It's pretty easy to do, and I'll show you how to do it. So I'm going to start by adding a secondary menu here because I've just got the primary. So let's go to my theme customizer. And for expediency, I'm just going to use the same menu for both. Secondary menu, let's just add the same menu for that. There we go, and as you can see, we've now got two menus, one at the top and the second one here. This is actually the primary, this is the secondary. You can't see that because the background's white. Let's just change that background. So like I say, we've got the same menu for both, just for expediency here. Now what we're trying to do is get an image behind here. So we've got an image behind both of these menus, just one image. Real easy to do. So what I'll do is I'll change that back to transparent because I'm going to change them both to transparent. And we just take the background color, the right hand slider all the way down. That makes that transparent. And I want to do the same thing for the primary menu bar. Here's our background color. Let's take it all the way down. And as you can see, the image that's behind, or the first section that's behind, is now hopped up. There's no gap between it and the top. So we've got it behind here. Two transparent backgrounds. Now what I want to do is create a section that's about this big and add a background image to it. So let's publish this. And exit out. Now let's go to our page. Let's refresh this because this is still the old version. Now we want to edit our page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a full width module, or a full width section right here, full width section. I want to drag it up to the top. Now I want to give it an image background. I'm just going to choose any image that I happen to have on here. Go to the third tab, that's images there. Something that's going to stand out, I guess that'll probably do. I'll set that as background and have it to cover. Let's cover. And let's give our section a fixed height that's just going to cover our menus. And I'm guessing that'll be around about 100 pixels or so. It's the main element. Let's give it height of 100 pixels. Semicolon. And that'll tell it that it's got to be 100 pixels high every time it loads. Let's update. And preview our changes. There we go. That's kind of hard to see our secondary menu there. Let's go back to our customizer. And make sure our primary menu's got a color that we can see there. We'll turn it to white. I'm not worried about that countdown, seeing as this is just for demonstration purposes. Text color, let's make that white. And no opacity. There we go, you can see that well enough there. And make that secondary the same size, I guess, as the front one there. So the primary is 14. Scroll back up, back there. Secondary, let's make that 14 as well. That's better. And publish that. So we've now got this image behind both of our menus there. And what you want to do, let's go back to, let's get rid of that. And we'll go back to our page menu. Or edit page here. We want to save this section because we're going to want to put it at the top of each page. So if we go in here, and we want to go down to the bottom and save and add to library. I guess we'll call it top menu. So now we save that section, we can go to another page, or whenever you create a new page. I can't even remember what pages I've got going on this site. It's just a little development site. Okay, let's edit page 2. And we just want to add from library. Add from library. Let's click on that. There's our little section that we just saved, top menu. Let's add that. Put it up to the top. Update. And preview our changes. That's a curious looking. I think that's when I was demonstrating those dividers there. But anyway, there's our image. It's still behind our two menus. And of course you need to put that at the top of every page that you do. Then if we go and create a new page, we use the Divi builder. First thing we want to do is go down and add from library. There's our save section. Just scoot it up to the top. And every page you create, you just want to put that one on the top. And of course you can do the same thing for a page you've already made. Let's publish that and take a quick look. There we go, there's our new page with our header section with the image background behind both menus. Well, I hope that's answered your question and I hope you found that useful. If you have, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in web development, we have some great courses below with some huge discount for our YouTube subscribers. There's also some great free courses down there also. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.